This Spanish tortilla de patatas takes about 45 minutes to prepare and serves 4 people. This beloved Spanish classic is a golden, pan-fried omelette bursting with tender potatoes, sweet onions, and fluffy eggs, all cooked to creamy perfection in rich olive oil. It's simple, comforting, and absolutely irresistible. Perfect for tapas, a light meal, or sharing with friends and family. Let's now check the ingredients. 600 grams waxy potatoes, peeled and thinly sliced. 1 medium onion, thinly sliced. 6 large eggs. 200 to 250 milliliters extra virgin olive oil for frying. Half a teaspoon fine salt, plus more to taste. Freshly ground black pepper, optional. Chopped parsley, to garnish, optional. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Peel the potatoes and thinly slice them, about 2 to 3 millimeters. Slice the onion. Pat everything dry with paper towels to reduce splatter. Warm the olive oil in a large nonstick skillet over medium heat. Add potatoes and onion, season with a pinch of salt, and fry gently, stirring occasionally until tender but not browned, 12 to 15 minutes. Transfer potatoes and onion to a colander set over a bowl to drain excess oil. Reserve about 2 tablespoons of the frying oil. Let the potato mixture cool slightly. In a large bowl, beat the eggs with 1/2 teaspoon salt and pepper if using. Fold in the drained potatoes and onion until well coated. Rest 5 minutes for the eggs to hydrate the potatoes. Heat the reserved oil in a 24 to 26 centimeters non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour in the egg-potato mixture and spread evenly, tucking in edges for a neat round. Cook undisturbed until the edges set and the center is still slightly runny, 5 to 7 minutes. Shaking the pan occasionally to prevent sticking. Place a large plate over the pan, hold firmly, and carefully invert to flip the tortilla onto the plate. Slide the tortilla back into the pan to cook the second side, 2 to 4 minutes more until set to your preferred doneness. Creamy inside is traditional. Slide the tortilla onto a clean plate. Let it rest 5 to 10 minutes to finish setting. Brush or drizzle a little reserved oil on top for shine if desired. Slice into wedges and serve warm or at room temperature, garnished with parsley and a simple salad or crusty bread. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.